heart of Switzerland, there is a hidden world carved by ice, time, and the unstoppable flow of water. This is the Aare Gorge, a place where the river cut through solid rock to create one of the most incredible natural corridors in the Alps. The Aare River, born from glaciers near the Grimsel Pass, carved this gorge over thousands of years as it made its way north toward the Rhine. The story begins after the last ice age. As the glaciers melted, torrents of water sliced through the limestone, carving out this 1.4-kilometer long passage. At its deepest point, the gorge drops nearly 200 meters, and in some places the walls are barely a meter apart. Every crack and curve tells the story of time and persistence. The gorge was opened to visitors in 1888, a true engineering challenge at the time. Wooden walkways once clung to the cliff face. Today, steel and concrete keep it safe. But the spirit of adventure remains the same. It's a journey that feels part history, part nature. There are two entrances, west near Meiringen and east near Innerkirchen. The walk takes around 40 minutes, mostly flat, and is perfect for families. In summer evenings, the gorge glows with light, a magical sight when it's illuminated for night walks. The best time to visit? Early morning for peace or late afternoon for golden light. Bring a jacket. It's cool and damp inside year-round. Now we are looking at a remarkable but long-abandoned military installation built at the end of 1940. It consists of two carved caverns, a large one planned to serve as living quarters for 185 officers and soldiers, and a smaller one that housed all the technical equipment. Offices, a recreation area, and dining rooms were arranged inside stationary train cars placed within the tunnel. For reasons still unknown, the entire complex was never put into use and remains hidden and untouched to this day. One of the few people who has visited it described the interior as surprisingly refined, featuring wood-paneled walls, heating, running water, flushing toilets, and electric lighting. The Aare Gorge is more than just a destination. It's a reminder of patience, power, and the passage of time. Standing here, surrounded by walls shaped by centuries, you can almost hear the heartbeat of the earth. If you find yourself in Switzerland, make time for this hidden canyon and let the river tell you its story. Thanks for watching. If you love this walk through the Aare Gorge, hit that like button. It tells me to keep exploring places like this. Drop a comment if you've been here or plan to visit, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next adventure from Switzerland and beyond.